Hello again, fellow beach bum traders. A watch list of stocks is an important tool that many traders use to focus their attention on particular stocks that meet a particular pattern or setup that they're interested in trading for a given week or day. Um, One of the tools, one of the resources that I find very helpful in building a watch list for the upcoming week is AC Investors blog. It's Antonio Costa. The website URL is ac.investor.blogspot.com, and today I'm just going to show you how I use uh, the AC Investor blog to build a weekly watch list and how you might be able to benefit from Antonio's charting and technical analysis. You can see he's a technical analyst and he's focusing on day trading strategies, so it's important to know if you're a day trader, this might be more pertinent, but I find it useful even as a swing trader. I find some setups that are useful for the types of patterns that I like to trade. So again, here we're going to show you how you can use AC Investor blog as one of the inputs to building your watch list for the week. Antonio generally puts out this stocks to watch. It'll call them stocks to watch or keep an eye on. It usually comes out on Saturday at some point, so I usually pop in on Saturday or Sunday and see if he's posted his weekly watch list, and then I'll quickly just scroll through and see what kind of setups he sees for the week. And you can see he does a lot of detailed charting. Generally will show support and resistance. He's using the MACD, accumulation, distribution lines, sometimes the RSI, various moving averages, EMAs, etc. So all the different colored lines. And we'll talk about various indicators and oscillators in future videos. But again, I just want to show you what types of information he's making available and how you might use this for your watch list. So, here we see Bit Digital, and it's got a major pop late in the week, and he's saying, oh, it's a bull flag, it's under the EMA 200, might be a good breakout. So if you're a breakout trader and that's of interest to you, you might want to add Bit Digital BTBT to your watch list. Happens not to be a pattern that I don't tend to be a breakout trader. I'm more of a bottom swing trader, but let's just take a look. So typically what I do if I were interested in that is I would copy the symbol from here. I would jump over to Finviz to get more detailed information, paste the symbol into the search bar in Finviz. And then we can get more detailed information about Bit Digital. We can look at, okay, for their chart, how does that look? What kind of trend line are they showing? Here's a resistance level up above. Is that the kind of risk reward you're looking for? What do some of their financials look like? Looks like they actually might be profitable, probably a good thing. They're optionable if you're interested in selling covered calls against a buy, etc. So I use these in combination, AC Investor blog to identify potential stocks that I might want to add to my watch list, and then what is his rationale behind that stock? Well, why is he watching it? What does he think might happen? There's Lumos, B Square on a pullback, looking for a bounce off a support level. So again, you can see he's drawing support and resistance levels, might give you, targets to buy, targets to sell. Oscillators, he's pointing out that looks like a MACD crossover coming. That might be a trigger that you want to use in your trading. Tesla, or actually it's Tizana Life Sciences. There's another breakout, looks like. Biggest winners. AEI's been volatile, had a major drop. So it looks like he's looking, for a bounce on that. Here's a POWI. It's a approaching, did a gap up, approaching a resistance level, and he's looking at a breakout. So there's one that looks interesting, you know, for a type of swing trading, bottom setup, you know, that the types of trades that I might be interested in. So we can go look at TCAT, go over to Finviz again. In addition to pasting it in the search bar, you can also change it in the URL. Sometimes that's quicker. And we can see it's kind of sitting underneath a resistance level. Here's the bottom trend line. It's a Hong Kong stock, which actually, because of the Chinese crackdown, we have excluded all Chinese and Hong Kong stocks from consideration at this time, just due to the volatile risk, the unknown risk. So even though that setup looked nice, that's not something that I would be adding to our watch list. So again, just a real quick introduction to the AC Investor blog. Comes out every Saturday. Useful for identifying potential setups you want to add to your watch list, possibly do further research. Sometimes I identify these, and then in addition to looking at Finviz, I'll actually collect data and put it in a database for a symbol I don't already have in my database of symbols that I typically consider. Additionally, Antonio has been on, I've been following him on Twitter for a very long time. You can follow him on Twitter at AC Investor Blog, all one word. Please be aware there are a number of fake accounts that have popped up on mimicking him in the past that have become a problem. So please make sure it's this base AC Investor Blog site, and he's got 150K followers. So that's the real Antonio. Again, someone I would recommend, followed for a long time, found some useful setups, some useful trades. Hope you can find some useful opportunities for your trading edge here in building your watch list, and we hope this all helps. If this type of information is helpful to you, we hope you'll subscribe to our channel and click the notify bell icon so you get notified every time we add content. Please let us know in the comments if you would like more information like this. Would you like additional resources for building a watch list, more how-tos on building a watch list, patterns, setups, etc. Please let us know what you'd like to see more of, and we will do everything we can to accommodate you. Thank you again for watching. Good luck and have a great trading week.